Turn to page 68. It's a sad reality of business that some customers never pay what they owe. Unfortunately, this is a real-world expense of doing business. How do you write off a bad debt in QuickBooks? Should you just delete the invoice? The answer is no, because you would lose track of who doesn't pay and how often it happens. This information is important. In this section, you learn two methods for writing off bad debts. The first method uses the Receive Payments window. Use this method if your company doesn't collect sales tax. The second method uses the Credit Memo window. Use this method if you collect sales tax. Please note, real-world training recommends that you consult your accountant or tax professional before writing off any bad debt. Use the first method to write off bad debt if there was no sales tax on the original invoice. Click the Customer Center icon. Scroll down until you see Lancaster County. You've called this customer and sent collection letters, but they still won't pay. You need to write off the balance of $4,999.50 as a bad debt. The easiest method is to use the Receive Payments window. Move the cursor over the customer's name and click the right mouse button. Then select Receive Payments from the menu. QuickBooks enters the customer for you. You do not receive any money, so the amount is zero. In the memo field, type Bad Debt. Click the Discounts and Credits button. The workaround uses this window to write off the balance due. In the Amount of Discount field, type the amount to write off. In this case, $4,999.50. In the Discount Account field, click the drop-down list and select Bad Debt Expense. Click Done. The amount due is now zero. Click Save and Close to record the transaction. The customer job list also shows that the balance is zero. But what happens with the balance Lancaster County owed you? Let's find out. From the menu, select Reports, Company and Financial, Profit and Loss Standard. The Profit and Loss statement shows this amount as bad debt expense, a real-world expense of doing business. Remember, if the original sale did not include sales taxes, use this method. Visit www.quickbookstraining.com for more tips and to learn about our QuickBooks classes.